tip at all. That's all base pay. $4.05 all base pay. Run your car right into the ground. 10 miles. What the hell they order? Freddy's frozen custard. So you think somebody who picking up $4 orders and drive, you think $4 and 10 miles, you think this person got AC? You think this person got AC in their car if they accepting orders like this? Because my answer is no. If you are picking up orders like this, it ain't no way you got AC in your car. It ain't no way. So everything about this order is a fail. Because not only are you not making money, that Freddy's frozen custard ain't finna make it to the customer. Okay? You don't got an insulated bag. It ain't happening. Everything about this order is dumb. Okay? Everything. Ice cream from 10 miles away. Look at this. This one ain't even that bad. Even though it's $13 for 16 miles, the map calling me over to a merchant like, bruh, you telling me it ain't no other Uber drivers from where I'm at to where that pickup is? I know it's drivers, but you gonna have to pay. That's why you trying to get me to deliver it. Like, nah, bruh, it's not happening. Now this one I took $6 1 mile, screw the game all day long. I did that. I like that. You in the Sorrento or the Escape? I'm in the Sorrento right now. But this is an order all day long. All day long. All day. This right here, this that same order from earlier. It started at $3.04 for 10 miles, and then it went up all the way to $4. You telling me, and that order probably just sitting there too. Ice cream already been packaged. What time? Matter of fact, look, they sent me this one. They sent me this one at 7:41. Y'all see that? Nope. Y'all see that? 7:41 is when they sent this one. This the ice cream order. They sent it to me 6 minutes later at 7:46. That mean that order had been sitting for 6 minutes and they sent it back to me for $1 more. So that mean I declined it once already. Then I declined it twice. So whoever pick up this order, they ain't got no AC and they ain't got no value for their soul either. They don't value AC or their soul because they took this order after I declined it twice. That's how I know. That's crazy. He ain't make no money. He probably picked this one up next. $4.25 for 5. He probably dropped that ice cream off, drove 10 miles back, and then picked up this order and was happy to do it. Extra dumbass. Remedial. Never even tried to do a math equation in his life. I mean, I'd feel better if he did this. I would feel better if he did this with his time. But he didn't. He didn't. He probably took this. He probably took this right here. He probably did. They probably kept the order. You're probably right. You're probably right. DoorDash say, look, we got this pasta house. It's 12 miles away. We will give you $16. This probably got $4 in base pay and a $12 tip. It's probably, you know what? No. Pasta house, they probably tip $10. I'm gonna keep it 100. They probably tip $10 and everything else is base pay. Because for that distance, ain't no that order got declined lots of times. Lots of times. And if it was if it was more than this on there on 12 miles, I remember DoorDash sent me an order one time. It was 12 miles. They showed me the full tip amount, $30-something. Because they knew if they didn't show me anything less, if they showed me anything less than $27, I wasn't even gonna consider it. So they showed me 30 right away, and it went up when I got there. It was like 34 at the end. But they knew if you want this delivered, you better at least show me 2 to 1 miles to money. I really want 3 to 1, but you better show me 2 to 1. You know what I'm saying? So when I see this, that's all. That's it. Because on a 12-mile order that's been declined, they're gonna show you more of the tip. That was it. Them people tip $10. That's it. I get it, but hey, it ain't got nothing to do with me. 12 miles, where you at? What up, Travis? I see we got 200 in the building. Hit that like button, y'all. I'm showing y'all what orders you shouldn't be taking, bro. Where are you dashing right now? These orders are straight ass. These orders are from Edwardsville, Illinois. And yes, they are ass. We got $7.60